welcome to Audrey's channel. Today we're gonna open some Twozies.
Oh, this is the Korean version. You see the Korean works on it?
Yes.
Here, let's have a
Korean.
close-up.
This Korean. This Korean.
Let's have a close-up.
Have some English. Of the bunny.
Yeah, okay.
This is the bunny. Can I open it?
Okay, you can open it now.
It needs strength. You guys help too. If you guys want one, you can get one. Just need to take this one out. I think this is the baby. And this is the baby animal. Let's see what's the baby is. I don't know what's that, baby. You got banana background. That which you cannot take out. You can take it out. Let's put it back, okay? We should not take it out. I wish I could put it back like this. Let's just put it back like this for now. And let's open the little animal. Oh, we don't want to cut you, animal. Cute. I got a duck. Or a bird. I think I got a bird or a duck. What is this? What is this?
It's a bird. Unknown bird.
Nothing. This is together.
Let's have a close-up on that.
Stand.
Did they look good? Or they look bad?
They're not supposed to be together. He's supposed to have a fox baby animal, but you have to get it by the other three of them.
And okay, is that it's not for children for under 4 years old.
Hey, I'm not 4, I'm 5. Oh no, it's stuck. It's stuck. Oh, let's leave
Can you
it.
see?
It's stuck.
No, you have to put it here. Thì cảm ơn chẳng là okay.
It's stuck.
Okay.
Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. Bye.